cornerstones of the internet are in shambles. This week on ThreatWire. WordPress is under attack by its own hands. Over the past month, Automattic has been in a heated battle with WP Engine that has led to questionable and destructive decisions taken by Automattic CEO Matt Mullenweg. To quickly outline key players in this situation, WordPress.org is the nonprofit group that handles maintaining the WordPress core open source project. WordPress.org maintains the plugin directory for the WordPress ecosystem. WordPress.com is a WordPress hosting service owned by Automattic. Automattic is a company that, beyond running WordPress.com, has other for-profit plugins and services for the WordPress open source tool. Matt Mullenweg is one of the co-creators of the WordPress open source software, CEO of Automattic, and one of 3 people who are on the WordPress.org board. Automattic is a company that has an estimated 1,700 employees, has raised a total of almost $1 billion and is currently evaluated to be worth more than $7.5 billion. It is a privately held company. WP Engine is a for-profit WordPress hosting company and has been under attack by Matt for the past few months and is considered one of the largest competitors to the WordPress.com hosting business. To quickly summarize what is happening, Automattic is attempting to hold WP Engine hostage in an attempt to receive payment for their use of WordPress, specifically originally starting out as an 8% of net profits earned by WP Engine. Mullenweg has been using his platform as well as the official WordPress platforms to slander the WP Engine business. In addition, he is using the WordPress.org ownership of the WordPress trademark as a way to legally hurt WP Engine. This has culminated in WP Engine being specifically ostracized from the WordPress system. For example, a new chat box has come up on the nonprofit WordPress.org website that specifically requires that users of this site have no affiliation with WP Engine. While this may seem specifically like business drama, there are security risks that we must be aware of. First and foremost, WordPress.org has locked out WP Engine from access of the WordPress plugin directory and general access to WordPress.org. Websites using WP Engine are not able to receive critical plugin updates if a major vulnerability were to be dropped for any WordPress plugin. A critical and highly popular WordPress plugin, Advanced Custom Fields, has become a pinnacle cornerstone in the battle between Automattic and WP Engine. For context, Advanced Custom Fields plugin was acquired by WP Engine in 2022. In the drama of WP Engine versus Automattic, Mullenweg shared that there was a low-severity vulnerability his team found in Advanced Custom Fields plugin. However, since WP Engine was unable to update the plugin in the WordPress.org plugin directory, they had to publish their own workaround to enable users to update the plugin. Mullenweg has multiple times expressed that if WP Engine were to drop the lawsuit they brought against WordPress and Automattic, their access to the plugin directory would be restored. Under the guise of security and community concern, the WordPress.org team did a, quote, unilateral takeover of the Advanced Custom Fields plugin. On behalf of the WordPress security team, I am announcing that we are invoking Point 18 of the plugin directory guidelines and are forking Advanced Custom Fields ACF into a new plugin, Secure Custom Fields. SCF has been updated to remove commercial upsells and fix a security problem. To summarize Point 18 of the plugin directory guidelines, it says WordPress.org can do a unilateral takeover of a plugin to ensure plugin quality. Following the strings, WP Engine and the Advanced Custom Fields team cannot upkeep the plugin on the plugin directory due to being locked out of the system. Any open source vulnerability degrades the quality of the plugin. Therefore, it can be said to no longer be up to the high standard that is sought by the WordPress community, even though this was caused by the WordPress team itself. This hostile takeover of a plugin is unprecedented. The WordPress plugin ecosystem is fracturing at a rapid rate, and there will be predators ready to prey. We have seen some plugin creators offer workarounds for users to be able to access plugin updates directly from them, or have stopped offering support for their plugins via WordPress.org. For example, the SEO framework stopped updating their WordPress.org instance and is offering free premium support for their users. If you are the maintainer of a WordPress site, please proceed with absolute caution with plugins, hosting services, and basically everything revolving around WordPress. A vulnerability was found in the Zendesk support ticketing system that enabled access to companies' Slack instances. The vulnerability was found by HackerMonDev. Originally, the vulnerability was found that anyone could be added to a Zendesk support ticket and read the entire ticket history. This was done via email spoofing. By spoofing the original email the support ticket was made for and knowing the support ticket number, you can force add another email to the Zendesk support ticket chain. Getting access to the support email chain allowed you to see the entire history of the support ticket, which in some instances may include sensitive company information. The original attack was not accepted as a vulnerability by Zendesk via their HackerOne reporting system. In accordance to the Zendesk reporting policy, they did not accept vulnerabilities regarding SPF, DKIM, and DMARC issues. However, HackerMonDev took this finding one step further, allowing it to be fully recognized as a potential threat for Zendesk. The spoofing vulnerability could be used to gain access to Slack instances compromising company information. Access gets granted first by creating an Apple ID using the company's support email, and at the same time creating a ticket on the company's Zendesk support system. Since Zendesk tickets are sequential, using the known from email, the Apple ID creation email, and your own personal email, you can get added to the ticket created that receives the Apple ID verification email. Using the newly created Apple ID email that is part of the company domain, you can then use it to sign into Slack with Apple SSO to gain access to said company's Slack. HackerMonDev started to report this access vulnerability to companies that they were able to infiltrate using this exploit. They were rewarded a sum of over $50,000 from the accessed companies. Many of these companies were Fortune 500 companies. Eventually, Zendesk received enough complaints from their users that they patched the finding from HackerMonDev. Zendesk did not reward HackerMonDev a financial payout for their findings. The Internet Archive has been taken offline. It's not a good week for them. The first attack came in the form of a data breach and leak. Via an injected JavaScript alert on the Internet Archive website, users became aware that over 31 million users' data were extracted from IA databases and submitted to Have I Been Pwned, abbreviated here to HIBP. The values were passed to Troy Hunt, creator of HIBP. The 6.4 gigabyte file contained email addresses, usernames, bcrypt hashed passwords, and more internal data. The values were confirmed to be accurate and real, with the most recent recording being from September 28, 2024. The JavaScript alert appeared on Internet Archive's page on October 9, 2024. That same day, the Internet Archive was taken offline by a DDoS attack. Credit for the DDoS attack is being claimed by a threat actor group named SN_Black Meta. Via their Twitter, they revealed that their DDoS attack had been ongoing for 5 hours with the goal of taking Internet Archive-related services offline, which they were successful in taking everything down. That day, Internet Archive founder Brewster Kahle gave a disclosure of the Internet Archive's status and the actions the team has taken to mitigate the attacks. What we know: DDoS attack fended off for now. Defacement of our website via JS libraries. Breach of username/email/salted encrypted passwords. What we've done: disabled the JS library, scrubbing systems, upgrading security. We'll share more as we know it. SN_Black Meta has expressed their plans to attack the Internet Archive again. At the moment, the Internet Archive remains in a semi-offline state. Their main website is in a temporary hold state, while the Wayback Machine is in read-only mode. The full site expects to be back online in the near future with an estimated timeline of days, not weeks, as revealed in a tweet by founder Kahle. Thank you so much for watching ThreatWire for the week of October 14th, 2024. If you want to support this ad-free show, please head over to patreon.com/ThreatWire. Thank you so much for your support. It really seems like DDoS attacks are starting to trend again. Why do you think this is? Also, I will film a ThreatWire creation vlog next week, so look forward to seeing that on my personal YouTube channel soon. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to find me online, including my YouTube channel, you can find me at endingwithali on everything including Minecraft. Good luck, have fun, and don't get caught.